So my kitty is an Oriental short hair, and I don't know if you know that about them, but they are very vocal. So she's always got a lot to say. Poor baby. All right, I'm gonna let this one sit for a minute. But we're hoping that the new kittens will help her attachment anxiety. Poor baby. I know. And she knows right where I'm at. She knows I'm in the studio, but she's gonna sit here and holler anyway. Wanna say hi? Say hi. Yeah, no. Okay. I know. I know. Such a spoiled baby. You know, let me do my thing, Miss Making Biscuits. I had to change all of my posts to say that I am a pet-friendly home because she is not giving me any personal space at all. No personal space at all. Not for you. All right, let's mix a little bit of the light and the dark creases. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of emulsion. Paint dilute. Not for you. Can't even see around your big ears. That one. Smell everything. That one. I know. Helpful. Here we are. We're gonna paint, all right? Yeah, let me paint. Maybe, and think about it. Here, let's start with the head. I don't usually start with the head, but I just put black on everything else, so. All right, let's find the perfect paintbrush. Let's try this little one. You're so funny. You're so funny. And so helpful, really. Ow! She's giving me love bites. And getting kitty hair, I'm sure. And ow! Everything. Yes, I know. Really? Yes, I know, honey. Ow! See? Ow! Ow! I love you too, silly. If I was doing more than the detail creases, I couldn't have you here. I can't. You just get into everything. One day. Creating a cat tattoo, almost. I like reading the AI prompts on what they think I'm working on. It's kind of funny. Because this one is just so small. Let's try this one. Uh-oh. I am not finished with the tattoos. I am gonna finish those as I progress. I'm gonna keep adding a little more like filler tattoos, like little celestial little stars. And some more like dots to like close, maybe some wind bars.